Leader Energy Technology Company is a professional petroleum equipment manufacturer with 20 years of experience, located in Jinzhou High-Tech District, Henan Province, Central China. Leader Energy is equipped with advanced manufacturing equipment and assembly lines, and all products meet industry and national certification and testing standards. We provide one-stop service from design, manufacturing, delivery to after-sales service. Products cover fuel dispenser, portable fuel dispenser parts, have been exported to Europe, Africa, Asia, North America and other countries and regions. Leader Energy, always with high standards, meets clients and promises to provide high-quality products and services. Welcome global customers to establish cooperative relations with us.